Hello and welcome back to another video by Seen Through Cars. Today we got a beautiful Audi A4 Avant. In here, I really love this interior, and what is more, for the key, the beautiful key, we got a nice storage over there. That's really important. Fasten my seatbelt and start this POV review. The knob is over there to start the engine. That's maybe a little bit far away, but not that bad. About the spec of this car. Under the hood there is a 4-cylinder diesel engine which produces 122 horses. It gets powered through this 6-speed manual gearbox. Therefore this car has kinda base equipment like common seats. They are not leather, but they're comfy as well, and if you like shifting, it's quite okay as well. I mean, 6-speed gearbox is everything you need. You got the perfect gear for every speed. So I need one moment to accelerate. Acceleration is quite okay. This was 3rd gear and I could easily accelerate to 90 whatever. Now we got 100, 4th gear, and now I will go into 6th gear to save fuel, and fuel economy is about 4 liters per 100 kilometers. That's not much. That's pretty good. That's really good, in fact. As I already said, I really like this interior, although it is not something special. But I got a leathered steering wheel. The dials are analog, but I think it's really good. I like the style of those Audi dials. Yeah, I could not complain about that. Now I switch to the speed. There you got all the stuff you might want to know if you're driving and it is easily controllable to steering wheel. I got some nice navigation system over there. It is a little bit small, but you got everything you want, and it will bring you to your final destination anyway, and you can turn it off over there. What I would wish for, like in other Audis, they are foldable, and this one is fixed, I think. Yeah, it has to be fixed because normally, you don't want to push 2 buttons. That you don't want the button to let it disappear and want to turn it off. So I think it won't disappear. Yeah, it's everyone has a different taste. So I would prefer disappearing screen, but doesn't matter. Got a 12-volt socket over there and a USB charging port, really good. Got some cup holders over here, really good as well. They are, you can fit different bottle sizes because they are flexible. Got electronic handbrake over there and auto hold. Yeah, modern cars. Well, it's a bit annoying. The radio, you control it over here. It's quite far away from everything you want to touch in your area. But yeah, it's just on and off, volume, and skip a song or go back to the song before, and you can also use the knobs on the steering wheel, so it's not a big deal. By the way, we are in beautiful Austria as most of the time, and you see the mountains, a beautiful view, really love it. Can recommend to make holidays here at my home. If you need some details, you can leave a comment and I will help you finding a host and some hiking tracks. But further on in this car, as I started before, the steering wheel is leathered and I really like it. It has not the floor bottom, so it's not as sporty, but I like it. And it feels good, feels solid, feels like it was made with high quality materials, although maybe they aren't, but it feels like. We got the tempomat, no, cruise control it is in English, cruise control under here, like in all Volkswagen cars. Yeah, I got used to it, but I think there could be a better position for that, or you don't need a stick, I think. But yeah, they got their own way to solve this problem and I appreciate that. What else? Of course, this car has low equipment, so there aren't a lot of buttons used. Oh, some nice Porsche over there, 911 and the gay man. But yeah, normal climate control stuff over here. Everything easy to use. A nice frameless mirror over there. And what feels really premium are those lights over there. They are touch. Oh, magic. No, it's just the little things in life that happen really more. Like those lights. Yeah, they make this car feel more premium than a Golf. It is a matter of fact. We got xenon lights, and in the front I do have a lot of space, but in the back, I think even though I'm a small person, like I'm 1.7 meters tall or small, whatever you want to call it, I would not have a comfy seat behind my seat right now. Or let me check. Yeah, it wouldn't be that comfy. But yeah, it is okay. I don't want to complain about that. I'm just a guy who would not buy. I would not go for an A6 or a 3 Series because I would go for a 5 Series BMW or an A6, just because it's a little bit more expensive, but you got the space. You always have enough space. I think there is no one who complains about space in an A6. But that's my personal opinion. But how often do you travel with 5 people, or with more than even 2 people, or more than just you alone? I think cars really most of the time cars get used by yourself. You use it for your own. You travel alone to work or go shopping, whatever. Maybe you go shopping together, but and you still got enough space. And in the Audi A4 Avant, you got a boot as well, a nice big boot, trunk. Yeah, space wise, it's okay. You got everything you need. That's my opinion. So let's accelerate from third gear, full throttle, and you see the speed over there. This is 100. Yeah. 122 horses. Is not an RS4, of course, but to be honest, it is enough for 90% of the time. It is. That's reality. Although I'm a car guy and I love fast and powerful cars, but that's the truth. That's the truth. Visibility is a good point in this car. It is already a big car, and you got those. You get this safe feeling inside, like, because the doors, maybe they aren't big, but they seem to be big, and yes, this is a barrier where you have to watch over it and or look over, and therefore it makes the car seem to be a big car. But the mirrors are really good, I think, for me. I know I'm happy with a lot of cars in terms of visibility, but really in this car, maybe in this car it is a little bit better than in others, to be honest. But that's what I also expect. Yeah. So you see everything you have to see, and you got those systems, parking systems, that you won't collide with something. They most of the time they work perfectly, therefore everything is easy in this car. Steering feels not that sporty, but I think it shouldn't feel more sporty than it does. The gas pedal is isn't that sporty as well, but I do not expect it. It's just what I feel and what I can tell you. So I think for me that was a pretty long POV review this time. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I will continue to drive for a little bit more time, but I won't say anything now till the end. Okay, I have to point one more thing out. In here, the noise from the outside is really low. I love it. It's a really great car. Although, you know, I'm a BMW fanboy, but I have to be honest, you don't hear a lot from the outside. And what is a problem in nearly all modern cars, you are always too fast. Why is it so hard to drive 50 in such a car? I hate it. It is so hard, and I'm always too fast, but I try my best. So now enjoy watching the end of this video without hearing me talking. So let's come to an end. I think this is a really good car. There's nothing to add. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. As always, please give it a like, subscribe my channel, hit the bell to get notified when I make a new upload. Leave a comment behind what you think about this review. I really hope you enjoyed it. I just show you the boot. It's really nice, modern boot, electronically operated. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Goodbye.